Hello my dear, in this tutorial we see the derivative of formula based sum. Questions will be solved on the exam while solving the problems. So step by step we can be solve the formula based question on the example. इस वीडियो में हम आज देखेंगे formula based questions will be solve it. Okay, so first formula based question of the formula will be, let's consider y is equal to x to the power of 5 minus 1. Find dy by dx while differentiating the terms while equal to formula of x raised to n is equal to n into x to the power n minus 1. So first step will be the execution will be given data. While solving the sum, any exam we can be solved. First we given data, then step the second will be differentiate y with respect to x. So differentiation of the function of x to the power of 5 minus 1 will be the x to the power of 5. So here will the formula of n into x to the power of n minus 1. Okay, 5 into x to the power of 5 minus 1 into derivative of 1 is always 0. So equal to dy by dx of the function will be the derivative of 5 into x to the power 4. Okay, then another type of the example of derivative of x to the power of n will be the on the formula based problem will be the second will be the u is equal to 3 into x to the power of 2 plus 4x plus 2. Okay, while in this example we can also find the derivative of dy by dx du by dx. So first step will be the given data. Right here u is equal to 3 to the power x square plus 4x plus 2. Then next step will be the differentiate y with respect to x, differentiate u with respect to x, differentiate u with respect to x. So follow the differentiation. Du of dx is equal to d by dx of 3x square plus 4x plus 2. Okay, so they differentiate separately on the function. So 3 into the x to the power of 2 is always 2x plus 4 of the derivative of function x is equal to 1 plus 2 of the function will be always 0 derivative. Okay, so the final answer will be 6x plus 4. Okay, so like, share and comment. Any doubt about, please comment on this.